Hi, how are you today? My name is Miss Laurel. What's your name? Kimberly. That's a beautiful name. I'm glad you're here today, Kimberly. And Daniel? Oh, I love that name. And Michael. Thanks for being here today. Today we're going to talk about food and making sandwiches and Thanksgiving and eating all sorts of yummy food. So let's first pretend that our hands are bread, okay? Then you can spread peanut butter, pretend peanut butter on your hands, and pretend jelly on your hands. And then you put your hands together to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then you eat it. Mmm, so good. Now, we're gonna do that in our hello song, okay? So get your hands ready. Here we go. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Can you put peanut butter and jelly on your hands? Can you put peanut butter and jelly on your bread? Can you put peanut butter and jelly on your bread? Put peanut butter and jelly on your bread. Can you make a sandwich and eat it? Oh. Can you make a sandwich and eat it? Oh. Can you make a sandwich and eat it? Make a sandwich with me. Oh, talking with my mouth full. I shouldn't do that. But it's fun to pretend that our hands can be bread and we can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Also, today, we are going to make a bunch of sandwiches out of pretend things. So I have my pretend bread. This one's out of cardboard. So we have our sandwich bun right there. And then we have lettuce that we'll put on here. And cheese. We're going to put on our sandwich. And ketchup. Okay. This one's going to be like a burger, a hamburger. Here's a hamburger. Put that on our hamburger sandwich. Ooh, beautiful tomato. Let's put that on our sandwich, our hamburger sandwich. Pickles. Yeah, they're green. You like pickles? I do too. What about that? An onion. You don't like onions? Oh, you like them. Yeah, they're just a matter of taste, whether you like them or not. We're going to put onions on our sandwich, and then we're going to put the top bun on our hamburger sandwich. Wow, that was fun. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things were on that hamburger. Wow-wee, yummy. That was good. Now, if you were going to have maybe a Thanksgiving dinner, you would probably maybe go to your grandma's house, or maybe somebody might come to see you at your house and they might ring the doorbell. Can you hear that? And then I have a key, a special key that goes into this little lock right there. You open it up. Oh, a child is coming over to have Thanksgiving dinner with us. Let's see who else might come over. Let's turn it. This is purple. That last door was red. Let's ring the doorbell. Ooh, that's pretty. And I have a special key. Needs to fit in just perfect. Oh, that's a little tricky. Oh, there we go. Who is it? A king? Wow, that's a nice guest to have. He has a crown on. Oh, it's just a daddy with a pretend crown on. That's fine. Okay. Let's see one more who might come over to eat. This is a green door. And it says number 4 on it up there. Let's ring the doorbell. Ooh. Ooh, that's a long doorbell. Pretty. Okay, let's get our special key out. Open the door. Oh, it's a grandma. Hi, Grandma. Okay, so that might be who comes over to eat with us at Thanksgiving. And sometimes at Thanksgiving, we even have a turkey to eat. And let me see if I can open up this turkey. It's really pretty. Let's go. Whoa, it's kind of stuck together. Okay, here we go. Watch. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, it's called a turkey. And sometimes people have turkey at Thanksgiving time. I think I'll put my turkey right over here. There we go. Let's make another sandwich, okay? This time I have this kind of a material that we're going to make a pretend sandwich out of, and it is made out of cloth. So we have our bread, and then we have a tomato. I'm going to put it on there. And, ooh, do you guys know what this is? Bacon. Yeah, that's kind of fun to put bacon on a sandwich. Okay, and cheese. And lettuce. And we call these at our house BLTA if we add avocado and C for cheese. BLTACs. And then we put them on the stove with butter. And oh, it's so good to make them all toasty, yummy. Let's count how many things that are in our BLTAC. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the B stands for bacon. Bacon starts with the letter B. Bacon. Good. The lettuce starts with the letter L. Ooh, lettuce. Yep. And that's the L. The T is a tomato. Tomato. That's the BLT. And I don't have avocado here, but I have the C, which is the cheese on bread. Yum. Okay, now before we do our next sandwich, let's say our ABCs, okay? Here's our ABCs back there. I'll do them in sign language while you sing with me. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, you guys sing that so well. Beautiful voices, and just sing it out loud as you're learning it. Let's make another sandwich. This one's made out of like plastic, pretend food. So we have our plastic bread, and the next one is a piece of meat. I don't know about that. And then we have our pickles, green pickles, and a big red tomato. That looks like a good tomato. A yellow piece of cheese, or kind of orangey yellow. And another piece of bread to go on top. Ooh, that's a good sandwich. Sandwiches are a lot of fun to make. Let's look at some other food. I have my matching food board here. You see these? So I'm going to pick up a card and see if we can match it. Do you guys see where it goes? It's a watermelon. I think it goes down here in the bottom corner. That's called a corner. Let's get another one. Oh, bananas and grapes. Do you see them? Right down there in the bottom center, on the bottom of our picture. Let's get another one. Ooh, yummy. Carrots and celery. Do you see carrots and celery on here? Is it up here? Oh, you saw it. It's right there. So we're matching that one right on the carrots and celery. Here we have some broccoli. I used to call this little trees when I was young because it looked like little trees to me. So our broccoli's down here on this corner. This is our corner and it's on the bottom. Ooh, a bright red tomato. Do you see it? Okay, not up there. That's a yellow lemon. You're right. It's right smack in the middle of our picture, of our matching board. Right in the middle. Good. There, here we have a little orange. And it's the color of orange too. Yeah? Okay. It's in the middle on the right-hand side. Here is apples. Apples come in lots of colors. Green, yellow, red. Here's a yellow and red one. And it goes up in this top corner. Right up here, the top corner. We have two more to match. A yellow lemon. Yeah. It goes up in this top corner. And here's our avocado. Do you like avocados? Yeah, I do too. And they're good for you and healthy. These are all healthy foods. You might have some this week for special treats for Thanksgiving. Look at this book. It's called Tasty Treats. Let's see what we have in here. Let's count. So we're going to take these off. And we have to find what matches. So we have the number, this says 1, and I have, let me find number 1, a donut that has number 1 on it. So we're going to put 1 right there. Now, this one down here says 4, and I have a cupcake with the number 4 on it. 4 goes right there. This says 3. And I have another cupcake with the number 3 on it. Okay, this says 2. And what does that say? The ice cream cone says 2. Yep, that's a 2. And one more, the number 5. And it goes here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got our numbers here with with 5 yummy things to eat. Now this one says match the food. So I'm going to take these off. We have a hamburger and a pickle and a pretzel and pizza. Here's pizza, and I see a pizza right there. And what are these? Fries, French fries. Yes, and you put them with ketchup. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. How about this? I bet you know what this is. A hot dog. Yeah, and you can put ketchup or mustard or pickle relish, whatever you like, you can put on there. Now, and we'll do one more. We have a pretzel. Yeah. Yum. Okay. Let's make one more cool sandwich, and this time this one's made out of wood. And I'm going to take all the pieces off So we have this wooden piece of bread with a thing in the middle, and we're going to add our sandwich stuff to it. So we have cheese, yum, and we have 2 pickles. Let's put them on. 1 and 2. We have a red tomato made out of wood. Let's stick it on our sandwich. Some lettuce. A piece of meat, maybe bologna or something. And some more cheese. And our piece of bread that goes on the top. That's a fun puzzle thing to make a sandwich. I'm going to show you in my special magic bag, because it opens up and there's things inside. We're going to do the letter T today. T, T, T. Good. Say it again. T, T, T. Good. Let's see what starts with the letter T. A towel. It's a big towel. Yeah, it starts with the letter T. T, T, towel. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, these are pretend little teeth. Open and close. Teeth. Teeth start with the letter T. Ooh, what's this? Yum, a tortilla. Yeah, that starts with the letter T. Tortilla. We have a tomato. Yep, tomato. And a cute little turtle. A cute turtle. A turkey. That's like my beautiful turkey back here. Matter of fact, let's open and close it one more time because it's so fun to do. Watch, here's our turkey. Isn't that fun? I love opening it. And finally, a little teeny letter T. Yeah. Let's say goodbye for today. I'm so glad you joined me to learn about food and making sandwiches, and you can play pretend that your hands are bread and you spread peanut butter and jelly on them and take a bite, and then you can go and talk like this because your mouth is full. We learned about all the different sandwiches we can make, sandwich puzzles that we can make out of different things like plastic and wood and cloth. And I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Think about what you're thankful for. Yeah, I'm thankful for my family. You are too, your mommy? Oh, that's so wonderful. And your daddy makes you happy. And you're thankful that your grandma comes over? Yeah. So many great things to be thankful for. Oh, your baby brother. You have a baby brother. Yes, be thankful for these wonderful people in your life. Well, let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. I sure hope you had some fun. Tomorrow is another day. We will laugh and sing and play. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. I sure hope you had some fun.